Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. I love Ulta. Ulta is my favorite place to go makeup shopping. I'm not really a Sephora person. I feel like I only go to Sephora, I feel like I used to go all the time, and now I feel like I go maybe twice a year, maybe 3 times. But Ulta, I am there all the time. Probably because I have a credit card, so that's not good. But anyways, so if you like to see some of the new makeup, a lot of these things are new. So if you like to see these things, please keep watching. So I picked up one of the new Milani glosses. This is the Ludicrous. Is that what that says? Ludicrous? I think so. Lip gloss in the shade 110 Luster. Luster Light. It looks like a clear gloss with some gold and pink in it. It looks really pretty. This tube is huge. Oh, weird. So it's a flat doe foot, but pointed. Cylinder pointed. Does that make sense? Ooh, this is really pretty. This is pretty. That's what it looks like. I feel like you can't really see clear glosses on camera, but this is clear with pink and gold in it. I feel like it'd be pretty by itself or pretty on top of a nude lipstick or maybe like a baby pink one. Gorgeous. So this next thing is a repurchase. I don't know anything about self-tanning, so let me just throw that out there. I've only tried one thing, and that's the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express, and then I've tried this. Like, that's it. But this is from Saint Tropez, and it's the Self-Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water Face Mist. I feel like I got like a free thing of it over the summertime from Ulta, and then I used all that. I love this stuff. I have to use it, I think, about 2 nights in a row before my face pretty much matches my body. So I stopped putting the Loving Tan on my face. I mean, sometimes I will. It just depends what mood I'm in. Sometimes I will, sometimes I don't. But if I don't, I use this like 2 to 3 days in a row, and it looks so good. Like, I love it. It's very natural looking. When you first apply it, it has like a fruity kind of smell to it, and then later on it smells like self-tan, you know what I mean? But it's not horrible or anything. But this says, refresh and revive your complexion for lightweight year-round golden glow with our pure space tanning formula, yet with 100% naturally derived DHA packed with advanced moisturizers. It's infused with uplifting green mandarin water and tropical hibiscus flower extract to help combat the effects of pollution and environmental aggressors. Okay, I didn't know it was going to be all this. A healthy, radiant glow that suits all skin types. So this says spritz and glow with our ultra lightweight skin protecting tropical scented tanning water mist. So I thought it was going to say the directions, but I'm pretty sure when I looked at ulta.com, you can put this on top of makeup too, which that doesn't really make sense to me. But I'm pretty sure it says that you can put it on top of makeup, which is weird, or under makeup. Okay, fine, but that's weird to me. So usually if I do it for 3 days in a row, the first day I will do it right after I apply the self-tan, and then I get in the shower after 2 hours, rinse it off, and then I go to bed. Like, I don't wash my body yet. I'll apply this, and I don't apply any moisturizer or anything on top of it, so it does kind of dry out my skin a smidge. But I notice when I apply moisturizer on top of this, it doesn't make my face as tan, so I just kind of suffer through it, you know? And then the second night in a row, depending on what color my face is, I will or will not put moisturizer on top. It just depends. Like, I feel like it just varies. I don't know why. And then the third time I use it, the 3rd day in a row, then I will apply moisturizer on top of it. So I really like this, and I think next time I self-tan, instead of self-tanning my hands, because I cannot figure that out, or my feet, I'm just gonna skip it and then apply this to my hands and feet. Because if this works, I'm all for it. Next, I got a new Revlon lipstick. If you guys have seen my Revlon lipstick swatch video, Revlon has some of my favorite lipsticks, and they finally came out with some new lipstick shades of their creams, which are my favorite. And then they came out with this new line right here, which is their mattes, I believe. So this one's in the shade Wild Thoughts. I only got one, which I'll probably end up getting the rest because I love Revlon. And nobody ever talks about Revlon. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, of course, I got the most wearable shade that I could see. Ooh, that looks really pretty. It doesn't feel drying or anything. It kind of has a Pat McGrath matte lipstick feel to it. I don't know. I might be crazy, but it's kind of the first thing that comes to mind. Then I got the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, the original camo concealer I wanted to love, and I've used it a couple times and it's just so drying on my under eye. It reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape. Like, I cannot wear that kind of stuff. So I want to try this one. So I ordered this online, right? And I feel like the shades were kind of hard to figure out which one I wanted. So I just kind of like counted up from lightest to darkest, and I think I got like the second or third, fourth, I don't even know. But then I went past the e.l.f. section at Target and I was just looking at it, and the way they have them set up and the names of them is just totally weird to me. Like, it's really hard to figure out what shade you are at Target. I don't know what the deal is, but I ended up with light peach. No idea. So hopefully this works. It looks like a good color, so we'll see. It says it's a full coverage satin, which is awesome. My favorite base is a light medium, kind of dewy luminous foundation with a full coverage concealer. That's my favorite way to do my base makeup. Then I picked up another shade of the Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy Foundation. I have a foundation first impression on this. I just wanted to get another shade to try it out again, so I picked that up. Then I got one of the new Revlon lip glosses. I don't know if these are repackaged or they're new formula. I don't know, but Revlon the gloss, I think. I don't know the stickers on it, but this is in the shade 203 Lean In. Oh, big doe foot. This reminds me of that Milani one that we just watched. I mean, well, it looks pretty. It reminds me, is Revlon? It's right there, you can't really see it. It's like a baby pink with some silver in it. Looks like. Is Revlon, I think Revlon's the glosses that came in like the square tubes, right? And I think one that was popular was like pink ice or something. That's what this reminds me of. Then I got these two new things from e.l.f. as well. I saw these at Target too after I ordered them off of ULTA. These look interesting, and I'm all for like different things now instead of buying a million of the same thing. But this is from e.l.f. and this is the booster drops, and this is the hydrating one. So this says, this lightweight booster supercharges your routine to help create hydrated, plump looking skin. These concentrated drops can be used alone or added into any foundation, liquid, or cream, enriched with vitamin E to nourish the skin. It says, apply a few drops and massage onto clean skin. Damp skin will help enhance absorption. To keep that in mind. Or mix with your moisturizer or foundation and then apply. Interesting. Then I got the other one, which is the Sunkissed drops. This says, supercharges your routine for a sun-kissed, healthy-looking glow. Customize your radiance with concentrated drops that can be used alone or added into any foundation, liquid, or cream for a lasting golden tone within 2 to 3 days. Oh, okay, so you have to use it a few times. Enriched with argan oil to nourish the skin. It said these concentrated drops can be used alone or added into any foundation, liquid, or cream to supercharge your routine. If applying alone, massage onto clean, dry skin. So maybe this would be a good alternative to the Saint Tropez face tanning mist. This I think was like $8, so it's cheaper than that. That thing is like 30, but to me it's worth it. Then this next thing I specifically only bought because of this. This is not sold by itself, but I'm sure it will be in the near future, but I don't want to wait. I am not a big fan of these butter things, but I just really wanted this thing. So this is the Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Brazilian Pout Lip Kit. This is limited edition. Oh, it says limited edition lip sleeping mask. So maybe you will only be able to get it from this thing. But I have one of these from the Casey Holmes one, and I liked it, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. I don't know, maybe these will be different. So I guess if you guys like these butter lipsticks, I guess is what they are, let me know in the comments below and I'll just include them in a giveaway at some point. This is what I wanted. I love lip masks. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh. This better smell like the bronzer. Ew, it smells like cat pee. What the heck? Ew. This smells like cat pee, and I would know. I have 2 cats. Well, I have 3, but ew, man, I really thought this was gonna smell like the perfume. Man, that is so disappointing. Oh my gosh. Man, seriously, this was the thing I was looking forward to the most. Okay, so the last thing I saved the best for last. Ugh. I had a 20% off promo code, so that's what I used to get this. This is also on Amazon, I saw. This is the Physicians Formula Ultimate Murumuru, am I saying that right? Butter collection. So I saw Tati talk about this. Like I saw it on Trend Mood and then she talked about it and then she is the reason why I ended up buying it. So this thing is huge, but I didn't know that this was like a hard plastic. I thought it was cardboard, so that makes it even better, right? So this is what it looks like. It's huge, but I think it's gonna be worth every penny. So you lift it up, sorry, I gotta be careful. So you open it and you have all these bronzer shades. Awesome, right? Then over here you have all these eyeshadows and then you slide it and you have highlighters. This is genius. Then you slide it over some more. So nervous I want to break it. And there's a mirror. You have a little mirror so you can fold it all out and you can see what you're doing. Isn't that genius? So I'm going to slide that side back in. And then this side slides out as well. And you have blushes. Pull it out some more and you have lip colors. Isn't this genius? I cannot wait to play with this. It is heavy. I don't think it's going to be travel friendly, but maybe. But yeah, I cannot wait for that. So that's the end of my Ulta makeup haul. Let me know what you guys think and if you tried any of these products and what you think or what you're most excited for out of this haul, because I'm excited for that now. Now that I'm not excited for that lip mask because it smells like cat pee. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this Ulta makeup haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.